What's going on, everybody? Everything Credit here. So I just had a client send this to me a few minutes ago. As you can see, today at 8:08 p.m. So this was about 7 minutes ago. And I just wanted to show you some of the accounts we got removed. Got a Federal Credit, Discover Bank, PNC Bank, another Federal Credit, US Bank, and also American Express. And a collection account and another Federal Credit. So they got a 113 point increase on Equifax. This is in less than 30 days. This update's actually before the credit monitoring updates. Yes, this is a Vantage score, not a FICO score. For those of you wondering, if you have any questions or concerns, leave them in the comments. You can also text me or email me. I'll leave all that information in the description of the video. I will also leave links to my website if you're interested in signing up, or if you would like to set up a free consultation. Simply send me a text message or an email, and we will set up a date and time to go over your file. Hope y'all have a great night.